In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in MailChimp. If you've updated your company card, retired an old payment method, or simply want tighter control over billing, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove it safely and confidently. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has billing permissions, such as the owner or a user with billing access, so the options you need appear. Start on your MailChimp dashboard. At the very top of the screen, look for your profile image or initials in the corner and click it to open the account menu. This menu is where MailChimp keeps your organization level settings, including everything related to plans, invoices, and payment options, so it's the quickest path to billing. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. This takes you to your account hub where you can manage plan details, see invoices, and update billing preferences. Once you're there, click Billing. You'll see tabs and links related to your current plan, history, and payment settings. Next, open billing information. This is the specific area that lists any saved payment methods on your account. It's also where you'll handle updates like swapping a card or removing one you no longer want to keep on file. On the billing information page, locate the payment method you want to remove. To the right of that card or bank account, you'll see an option labeled Remove. Click Remove. If MailChimp asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm to finalize the change. After that, the method will no longer appear in your saved payment options. A few helpful notes as you do this. If you don't see a remove option, it can mean one of a few things. There might not be any payment method saved yet. Your user role might not have billing permissions, or you're on a paid plan that requires at least one valid method on file, which can disable the remove button until a replacement is set. Also, removing a payment method doesn't cancel your plan or delete past invoices. Your billing history and receipts remain available, and any open charges still need to be paid according to your plan's terms. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, go to Account and Billing, open billing, head to billing information, and use the remove option next to the payment method you no longer need. Make sure the right team members know you've updated billing so there are no surprises at renewal time. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to keep your MailChimp billing clean and up to date.